Another random photo here. Hold on. The biggest upset in UFC history right here. What? Alright. Go, another random photo. Good luck. It's a 1. Don't do ones. Reroll. Add on top. So 9 times on the randomizer again. Uh-oh. There you go. Got Mel. Alright, let's do names first. Ortano and Frank. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, the same way. Look at that. Alright. Male, female. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Male and female again. Good luck. There we go. Chris Weidman's fighting Silva again? Any trades? No trades? Oh, no. Ronda Rousey and Holly Holm. It's a white sheet of paper. Oh. There we go. Oh, name's up there. I don't know why the camera does that. I have no idea who that is until now. Kiefer Sutherland. Thank you guys.